How to use / directory separator in both Linux and Windows in Python. I have written a code in Python which uses / to make a particular file in a folder. If I want to use the code in Windows it will not work. Is there a way by which I can use the code in Windows and Linux? In Python I am using this code. When I will use my code and suppose Windows machine my code will not work. How do I use / directory separator in both Linux and Windows?
Use os.path.join. Example, os.path.join path file, output, log.txt. In your code that would be roottree.write, os.path.join path file, output, log.txt.
Use to see how Separator looks on a current OS. In your code you can use os.sap,
os.path.numpath, path name, should also be mentioned as it converts /path separators into / separators on Windows. It also collapses redundant up-level references, i.e. a/b and a /foo/dot/b and a /dot/b all become a /b. And if you are Windows, these all become a \b.
If you are fortunate enough to be running Python 3.4+, you can use pathlib. Or equivalently.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.